She is feeding the chickens. As you can see, we are surrounded by approximately 10,000 chickens. We are right now inside this shed, and Zahra is feeding these chickens. As you can see, Zahra is collecting the eggs. Layla. Okay, good. Halo, agal halo. जल्दी ओके આગળ હાલો હજી છે એક ઓકે હાલો આગળ હાલો she is afraid of the chicken surrounding her. It will take time for her to get habituated. So she is walking slowly right now. It's been like 10 to 15 minutes inside the shed and she is getting used to this. Okay. As you can see, Zahra collected 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs in total. Okay, so ready, steady. Zahra, ubi re. Zahra is going to fill up this tray with the eggs. Okay, Zahra, go. She is used to it now. She is not afraid of the chicken surrounding her. જો Zahra, right side માં egg છે નીચે. હા, આવી ગયું. She is afraid a little bit to take the egg in her hand. Okay, હાલો. આગળ 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 દેખાણું ઓકે કાંઈ નહીં કરે જા દોડ હવે હું તારી પાછળ જ છું હાલ હવે આગળ છે હજી દોડાવ Zahra has collected 6 eggs in total till now. This is the 7th one. Okay, count karo Zahra. 7. They are holding 5 chickens at a time in one hand with their legs upside down and filling it inside this vehicle, emptying these cages and filling these cages. He brought another one which just ran away. He was chasing him and finally got one. He was able to catch this chicken which ran away. Okay, so let's see from where they are bringing these chickens. As you can see, all these cages are empty and they are emptying these leftover cages of chickens. This is how they hold the chickens with their legs and get them out of the cages. This is how they are emptying the cages. The reason why they are transporting these chickens to different cities and to different shops, butcher shops, is because either they are not able to lay the eggs or the lifespan is over. She is only interested in collecting the eggs wherever she finds it. She finds this job really interesting. Have you guys ever seen a soft egg? This is how a soft egg looks. This is literally so soft, guys. And the reason why this egg is soft is because the outermost layer is not properly developed inside the hen. So this comes out soft. केवु लगे? This is how this egg looks. Literally so soft because the outermost layer is not developed. So this is kind of called premature delivery by the hen. Okay, so let's see how it feels to burst this soft egg. You can see the same egg yolk as in a hard egg or fully developed egg. Okay, so this vehicle is ready to go, jam packed by the chickens.